Silent Up. Our patented retractable noise barriers provide the one-off solution, reducing noise by up to 18 decibels and up to 98% of unwanted sound. What makes Silent Up special? It's simple, quiet, and installs without heavy machines or concrete foundations. From parks to public spaces, Silent Up brings an easy, effective solution, making every corner of life a little quieter, a little better. Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, and Shanghai have already discovered the difference Silent Up makes. Join the growing number of communities embracing Silent Up.